welcome back to our channel. It's called Under Our Roof. My name's Haley, and my husband Cody and I have completely renovated our house. We're nearing the end of our home renovations, and now we're getting started on our master closet renovation. So obviously you can see this closet's tiny and we need to get more space. So we're going to end up getting double the space. So keep watching if you want to see how. As of right now, I'm just clearing it all out. All of our other clothes that I am going to bring in here eventually is in the guest room, which is going to be our baby's room. And so it was just time, we needed to get this done. So if you do want to watch other renovation videos of, like, we did literally everything, our kitchen, master bathroom, guest bathroom, everything, please go check out our channel. Subscribe for more. We of course will be having more videos along the way, but as of right now, I'm just going to clear everything out, get it out of this closet. So now that it is completely empty, I really wanted to tape out a design of what we were wanting to do. So at first, the top tape is, we're going to do a shelf with like clothes racks on it, and then we were going to do some cubbies. Then we decided, no, we need more hanging space. So we took out the cubby idea, and now we're just going to add an extra rack, move the other rack down, and now we're just going to get double the space to hang clothes. So while I clean up, Cody's going to fill in all the little holes, like from the old nail holes and anything else that needs patched or repaired. So now Cody is starting on building the first shelf. So what he does to the top, we're going to do the exact same thing to the bottom. He's going to put the shelf up and then like a closet with the hanging rod, and then he'll do the same thing right below that. So now we're just going to put a fresh coat of just plain white paint, and I think that'll really make it look clean, brighter. We did end up hanging some battery operated motion lights. We hung them to the ceiling of the closet, and that makes a huge difference too. It was so dark in this closet before because it is kind of a deeper set closet, and it was really dark and dingy and hard to see what was in there. So with it being a fresh coat of white paint and the lights, it makes a huge difference. And of course, when I do the overview of the closet, you'll see the lights up on the ceiling that I'm talking about. now I'm putting these shoe racks in. You'll see I'm going to take it all out. It didn't fit the way I wanted it all to. These shoe racks I actually got for Christmas, so I've been just waiting to use them for probably about 7-8 months now. So now they're finally getting to good use. The one on the right is just, I need all the hanger space that I can get, so I'm going to take it out and have Cody just combine it to the one on the left, and they stack on each other. And then I'm just getting all the clothes put back in, and then eventually I am going to buy like all matching hangers, because you can see like some are purple, some are black. It just doesn't look very good. I think it looks a lot better once all the hangers are matching. So I am going to work on putting all the purple hangers up top, putting all the black hangers on the bottom, and then I'm going to order some more of the black hangers on Amazon just to get it all looking a lot better. So now, not gonna lie, it stayed like that for about a month. This is a month later. Cody's making the barn door to finish off the closet. So he forgot to record it, so I had inserted some security footage from our camera that I saw that as he was building it, so you can get an idea of what it started as just a piece of plywood, and then he added the trim, and now we're painting it, and then we're gonna hang it. So he made this. I want to say he said everything was with the hardware, everything, the store was probably about $300 to make and to hang ourselves. I think that's a really good deal. I was excited about that because I have seen online they're like $1,000, maybe even more if you buy them at the store. So he's going to hang the hardware for that, and then I'll show you what it ends up looking like once it's all put together and done. So we did get the hardware and like this handle all from Amazon, and then I did end up getting the matching black hangers. I think it looks a lot better. Everything looks a lot cleaner, brighter. We now have double the space since we moved one rack up, added another rack on the bottom, and then I love the barn door. I think it's so cool. If you are new here and you do like this style of what we did, please check out our other videos. We renovated our whole entire house, everything in it. So I have that all on here. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.